Sir, in the last class, we studied Rahu and Ketu.
Yes, sir.
Okay, how Rahu and Ketu will offer the result when it becomes the star lord or the sublord or the sub-sublord of a planet. Okay,
Okay, sir.
we did it very
Okay.
thoroughly. Now we will continue Rahu and Ketu. Okay, now you
Okay,
take
sir.
another page, new page, and write down please
Yes.
how Rahu and Ketu will
Okay.
offer the result. Now we will study Rahu and Ketu again. How Rahu
Okay,
and
sir.
Ketu will offer the result when it becomes when it becomes
Okay, sir.
the sub-sublord of any cusp. The sub-sublord of any cusp from 1 to 12. From 1 to 12.
Okay, sir.
Or
Okay, sir.
when Rahu and Ketu become the or when Rahu or Ketu become the Dasha Lord. Dasha Lord means in bracket Dasha Bhukti in bracket Dasha comma Bhukti Antra Sukshma and Prana.
1 minute, sir. So when Rahu or Ketu becomes the Dasha Lord,
Dasha Lords in bracket
Yes.
the Dasha,
Yes.
the Dasha Lord or the Bhukti Lord or the Antra Lord or the Sukshma Lord or the Prana Lord.
Or Prana Lord. Yeah?
Okay. So, Mr. Rajan,
Yes, sir.
Rahu and Ketu, if they become the sub-sublord of any cusp or if they become the Dasha Lord.
Okay.
Reading Rahu and Ketu will be in the similar way. There is no change.
Sir. Okay.
Because
Okay,
we
sir.
said how Rahu and Ketu will offer the result when it becomes the sub-sublord. It means we read the promise of any cusp from the sub-sublord of that particular house. You know it.
Okay, sir. Yeah.
In cuspal chart, the promise of a potential, the promise or the potential of a particular cusp is read from the sub-sublord of that particular cusp.
Okay.
Okay. So I
Okay.
will share a chart here and with the help of example, we will learn it.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Okay. I am sharing a chart here. You got it?
Yes, sir.
Sir, this is a chart of this moment only.
Okay.
Okay, 29th of May 2020, time is 18 hours and 8 seconds.
Okay, sir.
At Delhi. See,
Okay.
suppose I want to read the promise of ascendant of this chart.
Okay.
How I will read it? What the heading I have given here, how Rahu and Ketu will offer the result when it becomes the sub-sublord of any cusp. Okay. In this example chart, the ascendant sub-sublord is Rahu.
Yes, sir.
And suppose I want to read the promise of ascendant, how it will be read, we have to discuss this point in today's class.
Okay, sir.
Okay, in yesterday's
Okay.
class, we discussed in Kaspal chart, Rahu and Ketu offer the result of its sign lord and its star lord.
Allah, yes.
Any doubt in it? Yesterday we discussed.
No, no doubt in it.
Okay, Rahu and
Yes,
Ketu,
yes.
in Rahu and Ketu will always offer the result of its sign lord and its star lord also. It means
Yes.
when Rahu or Ketu becomes the sub lord of any caste, it will be read in three planets.
Okay, sir.
Okay, read right first. Rahu
Okay.
ascendant sub lord is Rahu in the example chart.
Rahu, ascendant,
In the example chart,
lord.
ascendant
Okay.
sub lord is Rahu.
Sir,
Okay.
1 minute, sir. Example chart. Okay, Rahu is ascendant
Sub lord.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Now, if next line read out, right, sir. If I want to
Okay.
read the promise, if I want to read the promise of ascendant,
Promise of the ascendant. Okay, sir. Yes.
it will be read from the sub lord of ascendant.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
Now write down, sir. Ascendant SSL is Rahu.
Okay.
Go to the planetary position chart.
Okay.
See, Rahu is in Mars star, Sun sub, and Jupiter sub.
Jupiter sub.
Okay, right.
Okay.
Rahu arrow means in the star of.
Yes, sir.
Rahu arrow Mars. Rahu is in the Mars star.
Yes, sir.
Dash Sun.
Sun.
Dash Jupiter.
Dash Jupiter.
It means Rahu as ascendant sub lord will offer the result by this way only.
Okay.
Now, Rahu is in Mars star.
Yes, sir.
You will check this Mars in different cuspal positions where it is appearing.
Okay, sir.
Okay, check. Does Mars appear in first cuspal position?
No.
No. In 2, it is appearing.
Yes. Yes.
Write down 2.
Yes. Yes.
Below the Mars.
Yes.
In third cuspal position, Mars is nowhere appearing.
Yes. In fourth,
Mars
yes.
is appearing in 4.
Yes.
Write down 4.
Yes, sir.
It is nowhere appearing in 5.
Yes.
Mars is appearing in 6.
6.
It is appearing in 7 also.
Yes.
Mars is appearing in 8 also.
Yes, sir.
Mars is nowhere appearing in 9. Not in 10. And Mars is appearing in 12.
Yes, sir.
Okay, it means ascendant sub lord Rahu has involved the Mars.
Yes.
And Mars is appearing in 2nd, 4th, 6th, 7,
6,
8.
7, 8, and 12.
And 12.
Yes.
And Mars is the resident of the 4th house. At the stellar status, you have to consider the resident position of the star lord.
Yes, sir.
So Mars is the resident of 4th house.
Yes, sir.
And Mars is already appearing in 4th, so you need not to write it.
Yeah.
It means Rahu will involve these houses where Mars is appearing.
Yes, sir.
Okay, similarly, you will check the commitment planet. Rahu is in the sub of Sun.
Sun, yes.
Similarly, you check Sun in different cuspal positions.
Yes, sir. So,
Sun is nowhere up 1, not in 2nd. Sun is appearing in 3rd.
yes, 3. Yes.
Write down 3.
Yes, sir.
Sun is nowhere appearing in 4,
4.
not in 5,
Yes.
not in 6,
6.
but Sun is
7.
appearing in 7.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sun is nowhere appearing in 8, not in 9,
Sir.
but Sun is appearing in 10.
Yes.
Write down 10.
Yes, sir.
Sun is also appearing in 11.
11.
Write down
Yes.
11 also. Sun is nowhere
Yes,
appearing
yes.
in 12.
Yes, sir.
Now, will you take the resident position of the Sun? No, because Sun is having no PS.
Yes, correct.
Okay, at sub level means at commitment and final confirmation level, you will consider the resident position of a planet only when it has the PS.
Okay, sir.
Otherwise, it is appearing in different cuspal positions.
Yes.
Any doubt in it, sir?
No, no doubt.
No
sir.
doubt.
Yes, I understand.
Now, sir, Rahu is finally in the sub of Jupiter.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, you have to note down the position of Jupiter in different cuspal positions as you have checked Mars and Sun.
Yes, sir. Okay. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, sir. It appears
sir.
is 1.
Huh?
Yes. It appears in 1, 3,
Okay.
4, 5,
6, 7.
6, 7, 9, 10.
Very good. And see, Jupiter is having PS.
Yes, sir.
And it is the resident of the 3rd house.
Yes, sir.
But Jupiter is also already appearing in 3rd, so you need not to write it.
Okay, sir.
Okay, it means ascendant sub-sublord Rahu as a Rahu offered the result.
Okay, sir.
Now, sir, see, when Rahu or Ketu becomes the sub-sublord, it has to offer the result of 3 planets.
Yes.
First of all, Rahu itself, and Rahu itself has offered the result.
Yes, sir.
Now, if the sub-sublord of ascendant is Rahu, the sub-sublord of ascendant is Mercury and Mars also. Because, see, in the planetary position chart, Rahu represents Mercury and Mars.
Mercury, Gemini.
Rahu
Mars,
is in
yes,
Mercury sign and Mars star.
Yes, sir.
And we know Rahu and Ketu offer the result of its sign lord and the star lord. Okay. Now we will check Rahu as a Mercury.
Okay, sir.
As ascendant sub-sublord. Any doubt in it? Hello?
Okay, sir.
Any doubt
no
in
doubt,
it?
sir.
Okay,
Doubt, sir.
see.
Can.
Now,
No. Yeah.
Below the Rahu, you write down, leaving 1 or 2 lines.
Yeah,
Now write
Mercury.
down Mercury.
Okay, sir.
Mercury is ascendant SSL. Mercury is also the Lagna sub-sublord.
Yes, sir.
Mercury, go to the planetary position chart.
Yes.
Mercury is in Rahu star.
Yes, sir.
Mercury arrow Rahu.
Yes, sir. Correct.
Now, Mercury arrow Rahu means Mercury is in Rahu star.
Yes, sir.
When Rahu has become the star lord or sub-lord or sub-sublord of the planet, how do you will write it? Oblique.
Oblique Mercury,
oblique Mars. Right.
Yes,
Rahu
sir.
oblique Mercury oblique Mars dash
Mars.
Rahu.
Yes.
Again Mercury and Mars.
Yes, sir.
Okay. This way you will read.
Okay.
Now see, Rahu has offered the result at number 1. Number 2, Rahu will offer the result through Mercury.
Yes, sir.
Because Mercury is ascendant sub-sublord now, because Rahu represents Mercury.
Mercury, yes.
Because Rahu is in Mercury sign, that is why we are reading Mercury.
Yes, sir.
Now Rahu has to offer the result of its star lord also.
Yes.
What is the star lord of the Rahu?
Mars.
Rahu star lord is Mars.
Yes, sir.
So below the Mercury, you write down Mars.
Okay, sir.
Okay, first Rahu is the Rahu, then Rahu is the sign lord, then Rahu is the star lord. Go to the planetary
Yes, sir.
position chart, check. Mars is in Mars arrow.
Arrow, yes.
Ah,
In the star Rahu.
Rahu oblique
Yes.
Mercury oblique Mars.
Mercury. Okay, sir.
Dash Venus and dash Saturn.
Yes, sir.
Correct, sir?
Yes, correct.
So this way you will bifurcate Rahu or Ketu.
Okay, sir.
First of all, you will read Rahu or Ketu as a Rahu or Ketu, as we have done
Yes,
in this
sir.
case.
Okay.
Second, we will read Rahu or Ketu as a sign lord. In this case, Rahu
Okay.
represents Mercury,
Yes, sir.
because Rahu is in Gemini sign.
Yes, sir.
The lord of Gemini is Mercury. So we wrote down below the Rahu Mercury, ascendant sub-sublord.
Yes.
Mercury in this case is in Rahu star, Rahu sub and Rahu sub-sub.
Yes, sir.
So involvement will be done by Rahu, commitment will be done by Rahu, and final confirmation will be done by Rahu only.
Rahu, yes.
Okay. And similarly, Rahu has to offer the result of its star lord, which is Mars.
Mars, yes.
At third position, we have written Mars. Below,
Yes, sir.
below the Mercury, we had written Mars as the ascendant sub-sublord.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, Mars is in Rahu star, Venus sub and Saturn sub we have mentioned.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So similarly, we note down the cuspal positions where these involvement planets and commitment planets and final confirmation planets will be appearing.
Okay, sir.
As we have done in the case of Rahu. Similar
Yes,
is
sir.
the process.
Okay.
So you will club all the three involvements. Okay, we will do practically. Now,
Okay, sir.
Rahu is the Rahu, we have done it.
Yes.
Now, go to the Mercury. Mercury is in Rahu star.
Yes, sir.
Check Rahu in 1 to 12 cuspal position where Rahu is appearing.
Hearing 1.
Okay,
2.
Rahu is appearing in 2, in 6.
Yes, 6.
7.
7.
8.
8.
9. 9.
9, yes.
And 10 also.
Yes, sir.
Not in 11 and not, Rahu is in there in 12.
In 12, yes.
Okay. Now, Rahu oblique Mercury you have written.
Yes.
Similarly, you read Mercury. Mercury nowhere appearing in 1.
Yes, sir.
Mercury is appearing in 2.
2, yes.
Not in 3, not in 4. Mercury is in 5.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Not in 6, not in 7, not in 8, not in 9, not in 10. Mercury is appearing in 11.
Yes, sir.
Write down 11.
Yes, sir.
And check the resident position of the Mercury, where it is posited.
In 8.
8. Write down 8 also, because it is the star lord.
Okay, sir.
Similarly, you will check the representing planet of Rahu, which is Mars.
Yes, sir.
Mars you have already noted down, just copy it from there.
Yes, sir.
Just copy it there.
Yes, sir. 8, 12. Okay, sir. Written.
And you see Mercury is in Rahu sub.
Yes.
Same houses will be appear there. Just copy it from
sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Now, number 3, Rahu represents Mars.
Yes, sir.
Now, ascendant sub-sublord is Mars.
Yes.
Read Mars, sir. Mars is in Rahu star.
Yes, sir.
You just have noted the cuspal position where Rahu and Mercury and Mars are appearing. You just copy
Okay,
it
sir.
from there. Just copy it.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. 1 minute, sir. Okay, sir.
Now, Mars is in the sub of.
Venus.
Similarly, you take the position of Venus where it is appearing in the cuspal positions.
Sir. Appearing in 1.
Venus is in 1.
1. 2, go ahead. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Venus is appearing in 8.
8.
Not in 9, not in 10. Venus is appearing in 11 and 12 both.
11. Okay, sir. Yes,
And
sir.
12. Now, see, does Venus have the PS?
Yes, sir.
So, you will consider the resident position of Venus.
Yes, 7.
Okay, 7
Okay,
also you write down.
Okay, sir.
Similarly, you consider the position, you note down the position of Mars subsublot Saturn.
Saturn.
Saturn is nowhere in 1.
Yes.
Saturn is in 2.
2.
It is in 3 also.
Yes.
And it is in 4 also. And Saturn is in there in 5.
9.
Not in 6. Not in 7. Saturn is appearing in 8. Saturn is appearing in 9.
Sir.
Not in 10, not in 11, not in 12.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Does Saturn has the PS?
Yes, sir.
So check the resident position of Saturn.
3.
3. And Saturn is already appeared in 3. You need not
Yes,
to.
sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Now, Mr. Rajan, see,
Yeah.
you have to club all the 3 involvements.
Okay, okay.
And club all the 3 commitments.
Okay.
And club all the 3 final confirmations.
Sir.
It means almost there will be all the 12th house will be involved.
Yes, sir.
And almost all the houses will be committed.
Okay.
And almost all the houses will be finally confirmed.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is the way you will check, you will read when Rahu or Ketu becomes the sub-lord of any caste. This is the way only.
Okay, sir.
See, when Rahu or Ketu becomes the sub-lord of any caste, it means more houses will be involved.
Yeah.
And more houses will be committed. And sir, it should be there because
Okay.
in cuspal interlinked astrology, you must have read in Mr. Kuller's book. In the horary book, he has mentioned a promised event will happen. See, he
Yes.
has mentioned a promised event will happen. In
Yes.
the joint period of the planets, those are fruitful significators. He has not mentioned a event will happen. The
Yes,
event,
yes.
the event which is promised in the horoscope, only that event will happen. In the joint period
Yes.
of the planets, those are fruitful significators.
Yes, sir.
The event which is not promised in the horoscope will not be happen.
Not happen, yes.
Okay, you have to keep in this mind.
Yes, sir.
So this is the way you will read the promise of any cusp from 1 to 12.
Okay, sir. Okay.
This is the way only. When Rahu or Ketu becomes the sub-lord. And sir, this is the way only to read the promise of the Dasha potential. Suppose Rahu or Ketu becomes the Dasha Lord, so this is the way only you will bifurcate in 3 planets.
Okay, sir.
So what does it mean if Rahu Dasha is running or Ketu Dasha is running? In this case, suppose Rahu Dasha is running, it means simultaneously along with Rahu, Mercury Dasha is also running and Mars Dasha is also running.
Okay.
Okay. At the time,
Okay,
3
sir.
dashas will run.
Okay, okay.
Because Rahu represents two planets more. In totality, Rahu will offer the result of three planets. Rahu as a Rahu, Rahu as the sign
Yes.
lord, and Rahu as the star lord.
Yes. Star
So,
Lord,
okay,
yes.
below this, you just mention, give a note here.
Okay.
Just give a note. Number 1, Rahu as a Rahu.
Rahu as Rahu.
Number 2, Rahu as the sign lord. And number 3, Rahu as the star lord. This is the way you will read the potential.
Sir. Okay,
Sir. Any doubt in it?
Okay, okay. No, no doubt in it.
It is clear.
Yes.
Now, sir,
Yes, yes.
you just close it. This chapter, you just close this chapter. Okay. Now,
Okay, sir.
Sir, how you will predict when all the 12 houses has been involved? And mostly, suppose all the 12 houses it is being committed and finally confirmed. How you will answer it? How you will predict event related to which cusp you will get or you will not get? So we will do the grouping of event. Likhiye, kindly note down grouping for event.
Oh.
Now we are learning
Okay,
the
sir.
process of grouping. How to group?
Yes.
Grouping for a particular event.
Okay, sir.
Give a heading.
Event. Yes. Okay.
Grouping for a particular event. See, there are lot of events. Okay, and for every kindly
sir.
note, there are lot of events. Kindly note down, there are lot of events. Okay, you write down, there are lot of events, and for each event, events.
1 minute, sir. There are a lot of events.
And for every event to happen,
Okay, sir.
You need one primary cusp and at least you need one primary cusp and at least you need one or two. You need at least one or two supporting cusps. Okay, sir?
Okay, good. Okay, okay.
Sir, see, for every event, there is one primary cusp. And at least there are one or two supporting cusps.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now we will learn how to group the event.
Okay, sir.
Number 1, marriage. Primary cusp. In the top, you write down primary. At the right hand side, you write down supporting. And first of all, you write down event. Give the underline event, primary, supporting.
Okay.
Okay?
Primary, 1 minute, sir. Primary. Okay, sir. Understand.
See, first of all, the event is marriage. Below the event, you write down marriage.
Yes, sir.
For marriage, you need one primary cusp. Which is the cusp, primary cusp for the marriage?
7.
Okay.
7.
Below the primary cusp, you write down 7. Okay?
Okay.
Below the primary cusp, you write down 7. And below the supporting cusp, you write down 5 and 11.
Okay, written. Okay.
Okay, so for marriage, you have to concentrate only on the seventh house as the primary
Okay.
cusp. And supporting cusp for marriage are 5 and 11.
Okay, sir.
Now, number 2,
Yes, sir. Okay.
second marriage.
Second marriage.
Primary cusp is 9 because it is the multiplication. It is the
Yes, sir.
multiplication house of the seventh house. That is why the ninth house is called the house of second marriage. Okay. So primary cusp is 9. Supporting cusps are 5, 7, 11.
5, 7, 11. Okay.
Okay. 9. Number 3rd, extramarital affairs.
Okay.
Primary house is 9. Supporting cusps are 5 and 11.
Primary cups is 9, sir.
9.
Yes, 9.
Support,
Supporting 5, 11.
5, 11.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
Next event
Okay.
is childbirth. First childbirth. Primary cusp is 5. Supporting cusps are 2 and 11.
Okay.
Second childbirth event. Second childbirth.
Okay, sir.
Primary cusp is 7.
7.
Supporting cusps are 2 and 11.
11. Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
Next one is job. Event is job.
Okay, sir.
6 primary cusp.
6 primary cups.
Supporting cusps are 2 and 10.
Okay.
Next one is promotion in the job. Primary cusp is 6. Supporting cusps are 2, 10 and 11.
Okay, sir.
Next one is change of job. Change of job.
Change.
Primary cusp is 6.
6.
Supporting cusps are 5, 6, 5, 6, 2 and 10.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Okay, sir. Next one is profession. Profession.
Okay. Sir, one question, sir.
Mm-hmm.
Sir, one question. This change of job is to, that means you are resigning from one job to go to another job.
Yes, that is why we have written 5. Because till he leaves the first job, he cannot join the
5.
another one.
Yes.
That is why the 5 is given there. 5 means the leaving the job.
Okay. Okay.
And 6 we have already written. 6 means rejoining.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Or here, if 6 does
Okay,
not
okay.
appear, you can,
Yeah.
if 8
Okay,
appears,
okay.
if 8 appears, it will also give the job because it is the multiplication of the 6. You write down 5,
Okay,
6,
sir.
8
Okay.
also. You write down 8 also at the supporting cusp. 8 is the
Okay.
multiplication of the 6th item.
6 years. Okay. Okay.
Now, next is profession.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Job or own venture. Below the profession, you
Yes.
write down job or own venture.
Or job or own. Okay.
Primary cusp is 10.
Primary class is 10.
And supporting cusps are 6 and 7.
6 and 7. Okay, sir.
6 means the job, 7 means the own venture.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now, progress. No, okay. Before that, you write down own venture. Own venture. My own business.
Own
Own
venture.
venture.
Okay, sir.
Own venture. Primary cusp is
Yes, sir.
7. Primary cusp is 7.
Okay.
Supporting cusp are 2 and 10.
7. Yes, sir.
Supporting cusp are 2 and 10.
2 and 10. Okay, sir.
Next one is progress. Progress
Yes,
in
sir.
own venture. Progress in own venture.
Yes. Okay, sir.
Primary cusp is 7 and supporting
7.
cusps are 2, 10 and 11. Okay, sir? Hello?
Okay, okay.
Okay,
Okay.
progress in own venture means primary cusp is 7 and supporting cusps are 2, 10 and
Yes.
11. Next
Yes,
one,
sir.
success.
Okay.
Success in self efforts.
Success in self-effort.
Primary cusp is 6, the house of competition or house of success.
6. Okay.
Supporting cusps are 1 and 11.
1 and 11. Okay.
Okay, winning election or match or litigation. Winning election or match or litigation.
Application.
Primary cusp is 6.
Okay, sir.
Supporting cusps are 1 and 11.
1 and 11. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Success in appeal or success in filing suit.
Filing.
Success in filing suit. Primary
Okay.
cusp is 3rd
Third. Okay.
and supporting cusps are 6 and 11.
Okay, sir.
Losing election,
Okay, sir.
losing election or match or litigation.
Okay, sir.
The primary cusp is 6
6. Okay.
and the supporting cusps are 5 and 12.
5 and 12. Okay, sir.
Okay, next one. Disease. Primary cusp is 6. Supporting cusps are 6 or 8 or 12.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
Recovery from the disease. Next event is recovery from the disease.
Okay, sir.
Primary cusp is 6
6.
and supporting cusps are 5 and 11.
5. Okay, sir.
Surgery.
Okay, sir.
Surgery.
Surgery.
Primary cusp is 8.
8. Okay, sir.
Supporting cusp is 12.
12.
Hospitalization.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Inheritance. Inheritance.
Sir.
Primary cusp is 8. Supporting cusp is 4, 2, 11. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Entangled money.
Angle.
Entangled money. The primary cusp is 8.
8 is it?
8.
Okay, yes, sir. Okay.
And supporting cusp is 2 and 11. 2, 6, 11.
2, 6, 11. Okay.
Unexpected losses. Unexpected losses.
Expected. Okay.
Primary cusp is 8. Primary cusp is 8. And supporting cusps are 8 and 12.
And 12.
8 and 12.
Okay.
Now, unexpected gains. Unexpected gains.
Okay, sir.
Primary cusp is 8. Primary cusp is 8.
Yes, sir.
And supporting cusps are 2, 6, and 11. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Long journeys. Long journeys. Primary cusp is 9.
Okay, sir. 9, yes.
Supporting cusps are 3 and 12.
3, 12. Okay, sir.
3 and 12.
3 and 12, yes.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
The next event is settlement abroad. Primary cusp is 12. Supporting cusps are 3 and 9.
9.
3, 9, 4, 12. Settlement abroad.
3, 3, 9, 4, 12. Right?
4, 12.
Okay, sir. Yes, okay.
Now, investment. Investment. Primary cusp is 12th. Supporting cusp is
Okay,
2 and
sir.
11.
11. Okay.
Primary education. Primary cusp is 4.
Okay, sir.
Supporting cusp is 9 and 11.
9 and 11.
Higher education.
And
Higher education.
okay, sir.
Primary
Okay.
cusp is 9.
9.
Supporting cusp is 11 or the 4
11.
and 4.
Okay. Okay.
Purchase of property.
Purchase of property.
Primary cusp is 4. Supporting cusp is 11 and 12.
11 and 12, is it? Okay.
11th means the fulfillment of the desires, and
Desire,
12th is the expenditure for buying the property.
Okay, sir.
Now, dispose of, selling of the property. Selling of the property. Primary cusp is 4.
Okay, sir.
Supporting cusps are 3 and 12
3. Okay,
and
sir.
10. 3, 10 and 12.
10 and 12. Okay, sir.
Sir, any other event left? You can tell me what other events may take
Yeah,
place.
this,
Almost all the events I have dictated here.
yes, sir.
Tell me if any event is left. Okay, write down
Death
status.
is
Pardon? Write down status.
death.
Pardon?
Status, eh? Okay, okay, sir.
Status.
Status, is it?
Status means
Oh, okay, sir.
okay. Primary is 10th. Primary cusp is 10th. 10.
10.
And
Okay,
supporting
sir.
cusps are 1 and
Yes.
11.
1 and 11. Okay,
Okay,
sir.
next one is fulfillment of the desires. Fulfillment of the desires.
Full of desires. Okay, sir.
Primary cusp is 11
11.
and supporting cusp is 1.
1.
Okay. Now, next one is longevity or the death.
Sir.
Longevity oblique death.
Okay, sir.
Primary cusp is 8.
8. Okay.
8. Supporting cusps are 2 and 7.
Yes.
Markers.
Yes.
2, 7 plus Badhaka.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now,
Okay, sir.
communication. Primary cusp is 3rd.
Communication. Okay, sir.
And supporting cusps are 9 and 11.
11. Okay, sir.
Next one is state of depression. State of depression. Primary cusp is 3rd.
Third. Okay, sir.
And supporting cusps are 8 and 12.
8 and 12.
And
Okay.
next one is perversion of mind.
Sorry, sir.
Perversion of mind.
Oh, perversion.
Perversion means you
Perversion
are
of
thinking
mind.
something else and you are speaking something else.
Oh.
Okay, perversion
Okay,
of mind.
okay.
Primary cusp is 5
Okay.
and supporting cusps are 8 and 12.
5.
Okay, any other event left?
Okay, sir.
I think almost all the events we have written. If some event left, we will
Yeah.
take it, no problem.
Okay, sir.
Now, Mr. Rajan, sir, you have to learn.
Okay, okay, sir.
Now you have to
Okay.
learn these groupings. See, all the 12
Okay,
houses
sir.
will be involved. All
Okay.
the 12 houses, suppose there is the involvement of all the 12 houses.
Okay, sir.
So how you will predict? Suppose you want to predict the marriage, so your concentration should only be on 7, 5 and 11.
Okay, okay.
Suppose you want to predict child, so your concentration should only be on 5, 2 and 11.
Okay.
Suppose you want to predict about the job, so your concentration should only be on the 6, 2 and 10.
Okay.
You have to restrict your observation up to the relevant house only.
Okay, okay, sir.
This is the way we will do practically.
Okay, sir.
Okay, now you just close it.
Okay, sir.
Now, another chapter, another subject or another topic I would like to discuss today is the strength of the planet in cuspal interlink astrology. Write down the strength of the planet in CIL, underline it. Okay?
Okay, sir. 1 minute, sir. CIL. Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
The strength of a planet in cuspal interlinkage. How you will find the strength of the planet? Which planet is stronger, which is not?
Okay, sir.
Okay, I'm sharing the same chart here, and you see whether it has appeared or not. You got the chart?
Yes, sir. Okay, yes.
See, you concentrate on the cuspal position.
Okay, sir.
See, ascendant is Venus, Jupiter, Moon, and Rahu.
Yes, sir.
And you see, this Rahu is appearing as the sub-lord of the ascendant.
Okay, sir.
Means Rahu is the strongest at the sub level.
Okay, sir.
Write down, if a planet appears as the sub-lord of the sub-lord of any cusp, any cusp.
Okay, sir.
So this is the strongest position of a planet. Means planet is the strongest at sub level.
Okay, sir.
See, Rahu is appearing as the sub-lord of the ascendant, means Rahu is the strongest one in ascendant.
Yes. Okay, sir.
See, Rahu is appearing in 6 and 7 also, but
Okay.
as the sub-lord.
Okay.
So Rahu at sub-lord is little weaker than the Rahu appearing in the 1, because it is the sub-lord.
Okay.
See, in cuspal interlink astrology, this sub-lord is my minutest position.
Okay.
Correct? This is my
Okay,
minutest
sir.
position. See,
Yes,
this Rashi, this sign is going to remain there for 2 hours.
Yes.
And this star will remain there for approximately 52 minutes.
Okay.
And this sublord will remain there for 3 to 9 minutes.
Okay.
And this is the strongest one because it remains there for few seconds.
Okay.
So in cuspal interlink astrology, planet is always the strongest
Okay.
at the sub level.
Okay, sir.
Then weaker in the sub level, sublord.
Okay.
And
Sublord.
weaker than the sublord is in the star lord, if it appears in the star lord.
Okay, sir.
And if a planet appears as the sign lord, this is the weakest. The strength of the planet will be the weakest one. See, in this case, Jupiter is the 10th house sublord.
Yes.
Correct, sir?
Yes, correct.
Jupiter is the sublord of the 10th house. Means Jupiter is the strongest to offer the result of 10th
Strongest,
house.
yes.
And
Okay,
you see, Jupiter is the star lord of second cusp.
Yes.
It means Jupiter is weaker in second house. If
Yes,
Jupiter
okay,
has to
sir.
offer the result of second house, so it will not the very
Okay.
strong. It is the weaker one. The financial status of that this particular native will be less, because the Jupiter is appearing as the star lord of. It is not appearing as the sub-lord of second cusp. If Jupiter appears at the sub-lord of second cusp, okay. So planet is always stronger at the sub level, less than that at the sub level, less than that at the star level, and the weakest one in the sign level. This is the strength of the planet you will
Sign
check.
level, yes. Okay, sir.
Okay, the reason is that because sign lord is going to remain there for 2 hours approximate. Correct? One sign remains there for 2 hours approximate.
Yes.
And star lord remains there for approximately 50 minutes.
Okay, sir.
And sublord appears for 3 to 9 minutes.
Okay.
And sub-sublord appears for few seconds.
Okay, sir.
Correct? This is how we will check the strength of the planet. when we tell this, the planet should become the strong significator, means it should appear in either at the sub level or the see, and planet at the resident level. Write down, most important, write down.
Okay. Okay.
The planet at resident level
Planet
with
at
PS with positional status.
Planet at residential position, is it?
Okay, planet at resident level
Okay, sir.
with positional status
Sir.
or with the stellar status is equally strong as the sub-lord. Okay?
Okay, sir.
See, Rahu is the ascendant sub-lord. It means Rahu is very strong in the first cuspal position.
Okay.
Rahu is the second sub-lord,
Okay,
means it is also very strong in to offer the result of second house. And see, Rahu is
Okay.
the resident of the 8th house.
Okay.
And it is having PS. So it means
Okay.
Rahu will be equally strong to offer the result of 8th house.
Okay.
So this is how you will check the strength of the planet in cuspal interlink astrology. Understood, sir?
Okay, sir.
Any point you want to repeat me? Any point you want me to repeat?
Okay.
Everything
Okay, sir. Just one minute. Okay. If let's say the strength of the planet.
Okay.
No, sir. Just want to check something. Okay. Let's say now, for example, in this chart, okay, Mercury is the star lord of the second cups, right?
Mercury is the star lord of the second cusp. Yes. And
Mercury.
See, Mercury is the resident of the 8th house with positional status.
Okay, it is a star level, but yes.
Mercury will offer the result strongly of the 8th house, but not of the second. Second house it will offer, but it is the weaker one.
Okay. I understand, sir. Okay, now got it. Clear picture. Okay. Understand.
I think that is in today's lecture, that is sufficient for you. You have to grasp it, and you have to remind it, sir. And kindly do remember all the linkages, or how we have read Rahu as the sub-lord of ascendant, and how Rahu and Ketu as the star or the sub-lord of a planet. There are two different ways. In the previous class, we discussed how Rahu and Ketu will offer the result when it becomes the star, the sub and sub-lord of a planet. But in today's class, we discussed how Rahu and Ketu will offer the result when it becomes the sub-lord of any cusp from 1 to 12, or it becomes the Dasha lord.
Okay, sir.
There are two different ways. You have got Mr. Khullar's book, Key to Learn.
Yes.
In that book, it has been given, and kindly go through this.
Okay, sure.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much for listening.
Okay, thank you, sir.
So in the next class, we will meet on Monday.
Okay, sir. It's very interesting, sir.
Okay.
Very interesting. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much, sir. Okay. So we will meet on Monday. Thank you.
Monday, yes.
Okay.
Okay, sure. Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you.